big baby. Good girl, big baby. Eat some more, honey. Put some more in your mouth. Good girl. Put it in your mouth. Good girl, honey. Come on. No, you gotta put it in your mouth, silly. Oh. You're getting it all over the place, honey. Put it in your mouth. Go ahead, honey. Oh no. Here we go. What does that feel like? Yummy. Put it in your mouth. Go ah! Ah! Nugget.
Put it in your mouth. You know what you're supposed to do. You know.
She's going like cross-eyed looking at the bottom of the thing. Spoon.
In your mouth.
You just feel like doing whatever you want. Ha 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 ha. Oh boy. Get it everywhere. That's right. Get it everywhere. Yep. Lubricate. Hey.
Go ahead, put it in your mouth. Eat some. Go ahead, eat it.
Took a nice big spoonful right when Mommy's camera died. You do it again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's Grandma doing? What's Grandma doing? Put it in your mouth, honey.